Hi, my name is Dickie. Today we will be sharing with you our special recipe that you're trying in cooking at home yourself. We create the mini target to help the food that you take in every day. We also focus using high quality, fresh ingredient that is easy accessible to consumer and highlighted to health benefit and unique flavor. And the dish attract friends, and also if you are a market food store or restaurant, you can consider using this marketing strategy to attract more visitors. Now I'll let Linda to do the full presentation. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Linda. Today we have created a detailed and enticing healthy food recipe for cherry mango salmon with savory cherry quesadillas, that is perfect for online promotion and business. Include a list of ingredients with specific measurements and brands, step-by-step cooking instructions with cooking times and temperatures, and any special tips or variations that can make the dish stand out. Let's prepare the ingredients list. For the cherry mango salmon, 4 salmon fillets, 1 cup fresh freeze, pitted and 1 ripe mango, peeled and diced, a 1/4 cup honey, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and pepper to taste for the savory cherry quesadillas, 8 whole wheat or corn tortillas, cup shredded cheese, cheddar or Monterey Jack, 1 cup cherries, pitted and chopped, 1/4 chopped red onion, 1/ cup fresh cilantro, chopped, -1 jalapeno, seeded and diced, olive oil or cooking spray for cooking. Let's prepare the step-by-step cooking. 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. In a small bowl, mix together the cherries, mango, red bell pepper, red onion, jalapeno, and cilantro. Set aside. 3. Place the salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. 4. While the salmon is cooking, heat a large skillet over medium heat. Place 1 tortilla in the skillet and sprinkle with mozzarella cheese. Top with a generous spoonful of the cherry mango salsa mixture and another tortilla. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until the tortilla is crispy and the cheese is melted. Repeat with the remaining tortillas. 5. Once the salmon is cooked, remove it from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. 6. Serve the cherry mango salmon with the savory cherry quesadillas on the side. Enjoy! Now let's see the demonstration. Cherry mango salmon with savory cherry quesadillas. Let's prepare orange zest and fresh cherries. Cut mangoes into small pieces. Prepare some basil. Prepare some mint. Now prepare salmon. Get flour brown sugar. Prepare some orange zest salt. Add pepper sesame oil. Mix in a bowl. Add sockeye salmon. Place in oven and bake. Now for the quesadillas. Add cheddar cheese. Add cherries. Add arugula. Add honey. Wrap up. Buttery cooking spray. Place in a pan. Make the topping. Add apple cider vinegar. Getting ready to serve her for healthy meal, voila! In today's economy, we are moving toward global technology, and we have to adapting to changes. Here we have designed eye-catching and enticing promotional materials for a street food stall or restaurant featuring healthy, delicious, and nutritious dish cherry mango salmon with savory cherry quesadillas. Create visually appealing graphics and captions that highlight the unique flavor combinations and health benefits of the dish. Ensure that the promotional materials are optimized for Google advertisement and various social media platforms to attract customers and drive traffic to the food stall or restaurant. Emphasize the freshness, quality, and taste of the dish to entice potential customers to try it out. We started with a landing page to attract visitors and engaging to our website with a follow-up email marketing to build a long-term customer database. We created engaging and visually appealing Google advertisements and social media posts highlighting the key features of the dish, such as its unique flavor profile, health benefits, and appeal to both seafood lovers and foodies. Include enticing photos or videos of the dish being prepared and served, along with testimonials from satisfied customers or chefs. Use persuasive language to entice potential customers to try the recipe and visit the participating stalls and restaurants. Make sure to tailor the campaign to the target audience's preferences and interests to maximize engagement and conversion rates. Looking for a healthy and delicious meal? Packed with nutrients and bursting with flavor, this dish is a must-try. Visit us now. This cherry mango salmon with savory cherry quesadillas recipe is a healthy and delicious meal that combines the sweetness of cherries and mango with the savory taste of salmon and cheese. It's perfect for those looking for a nutritious and flavorful dish that is easy to make at home. Share this unique recipe on your website or social media platforms to attract customers looking for new and exciting ways to enjoy healthy eating. Happy learning and cooking for yourself. My mentor Dickie will teach how you can create detailed and appetizing recipes for your loved ones. And do it at home, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your expertise in your home for an online business. For more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website, https://plrsalesfunnel.com.